In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher error LS0013. So first thing you want to do is you want to go down here and search for the task manager. Now here you want to make sure you clean any background softwares that you are not using and softwares that are just running and you don't really need them. So if you go to details, you'll see like the details for these softwares. So for example, in the processes, you want to make sure you don't have multiple games running at the same time. And also when you go to startup apps, you want to make sure you don't have like too many startup apps running at the same time. So when you restart your computer, these are apps that will start up automatically. Make sure you disable the unnecessary ones. And after you do this, you want to go here and type in run, and here type in %local app data % and click OK. And here what you're gonna do, you want to go to Epic Games. So if you go here and find Epic Games Launcher, so it should be here. So here's Epic Games Launcher, and you want to make sure you go to saved and just delete this folder. So once you delete this, you can just leave this now. And here you want to go to CMD, right click, run as administrator. And here you want to do a quick command here. So you want to type in nets int IP reset and press enter. And after you do this, you can just close this down. After this, you want to check for any latest updates. So if you go to Windows Update, check for any latest update and make sure you restart your computer, and that's it.